getting a Brazilian wax for the first time is going to be so freaking painful. My name is Pachia and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. If this isn't your first time here, maybe seen a previous video or a future video and landed on this video, well, hello and welcome back. A Brazilian wax is so freaking painful the first time. Like, I have been getting a Brazilian wax since July of 2019. And I'm completely used to the pain right now. You know, like, I get it done, it's fine, like, it doesn't even bother me. But my very first experience, whoo, that was like, no. The first time I ever got waxed, I had to grow my pubic hair for a month. Now, I don't know how you like to keep your situation situated, but I like a very neat and clean area. I know that to every single person, it's a little different. We've got some women who like to go au natural, and we've got some women who just want a bikini wax. We've got some women who like little designs, you know, whatever fit your fancy, it's on you. And the only reason why I grew my pubic hair for a month was because the esthetician said if you want the best results, then you have to let your hair grow out. So I listened to her because she's the esthetician. I'm not. She knows better. I don't. It was a very long, itchy month. Let's face it. You know, when you let your hair grow out and you don't normally let it grow out, it itches. The day of my appointment, I was so freaked out because I knew it was going to be painful. I knew that it was going to suck, but I also knew that the results were going to be fantastic. The idea of the pain and the pain that I experienced, oh, there's no comparison. It was like night and day. I remember laying down and just saying like, oh shit, because it was so painful. My pubic hair was so long that I could feel my hair getting pulled as she was applying the sugar wax. Now, if you didn't know this, when they apply the sugar wax, they have to go against the hair growth and they pull in the direction of your hair growth. Super painful. And it was just like, I was just not having it. But I kept telling myself, the end result is going to be worth it. The end result is going to be worth it. And just FYI, I know this is like a lot of TMI and I'm sharing a little too much information, but I just want you to be prepared. If you're going to get waxed, you need to know this. The hairs above your clitoris, that is the most sensitive spot. So be prepared to really kind of like tense up after your esthetician pulls the hair, because it is going to hurt like a mother. And you're going to be thinking like, why am I doing this? Why am I letting this woman hurt me in this way? But I'm telling you, the end result is going to be so worth it. But anyway, so after I got the entire vagina, you know, cleaned off and situated, it was time to move on to my booty hole. Yes, you've got hair down your booty hole. Please do not act like you're so special and you don't, because I'm telling you, you got hair down there. Now, there are two ways for the esthetician to wax the booty hole hair. You can get on your hands and knees and kind of position your butt in the air so she can just see all that needs to be seen. Or you can do what I did, which was lay on my back and put my knees towards my chest so she could still see and it needed to be seen, but I wasn't going to be on all fours for it. The pain around the booty hole, next to nothing. After you go through the pain of your vagina, your booty hole feels like a gift. It was like, why couldn't everything feel like the way your booty hole felt? Because it was just pain. It was very, very, very painless. Okay, so get your booty hole waxed. So the benefits of a Brazilian wax is, one, the hair doesn't grow back for about 3 to 4 weeks. Two, when the hair does grow back, it does not itch at all. And three, I think it just looks nicer. You know, it feels cleaner. It doesn't have any of those like razor bumps. Oh, and before I forget, there are two types of waxes. There's the traditional wax and the sugar wax. The traditional wax pulls from the skin, and the sugar wax pulls from the root. I suggest sugar wax and pull from the roots. If you're already going to suffer through that pain, you might as well get the best results. A Brazilian wax changed my life. I will never, ever, ever, ever go back to shaving ever again. If anything, I would like to get my pubic hair lasered off, but I tried that once years ago, and that pain was really unbearable. It was like little bits of stings because they had to like zap every single inch of the, ooh, no. I think that I would just rather get a Brazilian wax once a month versus sitting through that pain of laser hair removal, because I don't know if I would be able to like take that pain. My pain tolerance is very little. Yeah, your first time wax is going to be super painful, but if you keep up with it, if you go every single month, then you will eventually get used to the pain. Now I'm used to it. Now it's kind of like, it doesn't feel like anything. But to be really honest, the hair above the clitoris, that is still a little stingy, you know, because we're just really sensitive down there. And I prepare myself. I'm mentally like, I know this is going to hurt the most, but everything else is like a 3 out of a 10. But the hair above the clitoris, that's like a 6 out of a 10 pain level. So if you're thinking about getting a Brazilian wax, then I suggest checking Groupon for some deals. That's actually where I found my first lady who waxed my situation. She had a deal for like $25, but regular price was $45. Yes, getting a Brazilian sugar wax is more expensive than traditional wax, but like I said, it pulls from the root and not from the skin, and it leaves like a cleaner feeling. And plus it's like all organic, right? Because you don't really know what's in traditional wax, but you know what's in sugar wax. Sugar, lemon, and water. Yes, I think that's it. Just sugar, lemon, and water. The aftercare. One day after you've gotten your situation situated, then you can do a sugar scrub. And the point of a sugar scrub is to prevent any irritation, any redness, and ingrown hairs. That is a very important step, so do not skip it. If you are thinking about getting a Brazilian wax, hopefully I've answered any questions that you might have. And I know sharing my experience was a little TMI, but like I said, I want you to know everything so you can kind of be prepared for what you're about to do. It's okay to shower at least 1 hour prior. I don't know why she didn't want me to shower like 30 minutes prior. She just said an hour would be good. Because you know, you don't have your legs open and someone's going to be all open in there. You don't want to, you know. So just make sure that you do shower at least 1 hour prior your appointment. Thank you for watching this video and hanging out with me today. If you are feeling me, you want to hang out on a weekly basis, then click that subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. So till then, have a beautiful day and a relaxing week.